Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to record Roblox with OBS Studio. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to record your Roblox gameplay using OBS Studio. Start by opening any Roblox game so the client is active on your screen. Once the game is running, switch over to OBS Studio. If you are new to OBS, your workspace will be empty, so begin by creating a new scene. Just click the plus sign icon under Scenes and name it something like Roblox. After that, go to the Sources panel, right-click or hit the plus icon, and choose Window Capture. Give the source a name, confirm it's visible, and then select Roblox Player Beta from the list of available windows. Your game window should appear instantly inside OBS. From there, you can resize or stretch it to fit the canvas perfectly. Once everything looks right, simply hit Start Recording to capture your gameplay and press Stop when you're done. This setup gives you a clean, reliable way to record Roblox anytime you play. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.